Okay, so Mark, what have we got here?
Well, this is hot off the press, this one. we went in totally not even thinking about this model, but it was there staring at us in the face, and we thought, let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's have a go.
It's pretty much
So yeah, we had gone to Sundon Models today with a plan which changed very quickly. I mean, they've got some fantastic vehicles in there. The guy Neil who runs the place, super knowledgeable. We had questions and he had the answers.
He did, it was really good, made us feel real comfortable in there. No rushing, we just had a good old chat.
Okay, as you can see, we've got it out the box. Now, this thing was secure and safe in that box.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
We even had to stop the camera rolling to get the old snippers out to get it out. But it is out now, and it's got a bit of weight behind it.
It has, yeah.
That's a solid build. I am impressed. So, with this, like the last video that we reviewed, the Vantage, you get your paperwork, you get your charger. Let's get on with the car, man. Let's get on with the car.
First impressions, it looks very nice, doesn't it?
It does indeed.
Yeah. And as you said, sturdy. Yeah, sturdy beyond sturdy, this thing. I've never actually owned a car like this before, so it's kind of, you've had one before, haven't you, Locker?
But not like this, because when you get under the shell of this car, you'll see what I mean. Let's do it. So we've already taken these pigs out. Let's pull off that shell and see what we've got under there.
Okay. First things first, we've got a roll cage, built-in roll cage on that shell, so that's not going to get bashed in a hurry, is it? That's good.
And the plastic as well feels really sturdy on that. That's decent.
That is good stuff.
A decent shell. That I'm very impressed with the colours. Like the Vantage, quite like the blue. So it's quite lucky really. Speaking of blue, Mark, look at those shocks.
I know. This has got the upgraded shocks on it, as standard. The Vantage has got the plastic ones. These are alloy, I should imagine, and they are, they're really nice actually, aren't they? Yeah, quite long at the back as well. And the back here, I mean, if you look here, you've got it's like almost like what would you call that on the back there? It's like a motorcycle kind of rear end, isn't it?
It is
swinging arm.
Independent, isn't it?
Independent, like swinging arm, which is great. There's a few moving parts on there, which I'm not normally a fan of, but in this case I am, because they look really sturdy.
Yeah. And do you know what I actually like about the back end there? Look at all the options you've got. I mean, you've got some options down here for the spring placement and up top as well. So depending on what you're going over and what you're driving, you've got so many options to vary the spring height. And in addition to that, you've actually got the adjustments that you can make on the springs. So for the tinkerers out there, God, you can have a party with that back end.
A couple of other things I think FTX have probably, in their infinite wisdom, have added is the heatsink, which we showed you before in our videos. We bought them because they don't come standard on the Vantage, but they do on this one. And actually,
and do you know what? They come standard actually on the Carnage and the Bugster.
Do they?
So it's just the Vantage that didn't have them. So as I say, I think we paid a couple of quid for our heat sinks anyway, but it's an option that you get as standard with this car. Here we have got our ESC.
I think that's a 60 amp as well.
Awesome.
60 amp,
Good. We've got our waterproof servo. It says waterproof on it there. Look at that, Mark. They've sealed in. They've sealed in the receiver there, so that is really waterproof. That is more waterproof than the Vantage, which has been abused with a hose pipe. So, do you know what? We're gonna have some fun with this.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Comes with a battery as well. Like
again, 1800s. Yeah. Safe, sturdy batteries. Those. To look at. That is significantly bigger than the Vantage.
It actually is, isn't it? Yeah.
Like the wheels actually, the quality of those wheels is so much better.
They've got like a crawler feel to them, you know?
Yeah, so they're a bit firmer than the crawler, but they've got very good grip on those tyres. And actually the hubs as well look very sturdy and strong, where these ones are light plastic. But again, this light plastic has done the job for us. We've not had to replace a wheel on all the cars that we've got running our race events. So I'm looking forward to getting that one out. I think tomorrow morning is going to be when it goes out.
We shall have a play.
Maiden voyage.
Yeah, absolutely.
So by the time this video's out, there'll be loads of footage thrown in to show you this machine in action.